Introducing the waterproof quick connector, your reliable solution for strong and safe wire connections. This quick connector is designed to connect AC wires with a voltage of up to 300 volts, featuring 2 and 3-pole options. It can handle up to 2500 volts and a rated current of 16 amps. Constructed with copper alloy terminals and a protective tin plating, it includes durable seals made from red silicone and black EPDM, ensuring an impressive IP68 waterproof rating.
Now, let's demonstrate the connection process. Begin by sliding the nut onto the 2 wires. Insert each wire into the central nut. Remember to push the orange clip for easy insertion. Once the wires are fully inserted, release the clip. Align the black wire with black, white with white, and green with green. Once you've ensured the electrodes are correctly aligned, securely tighten the knot, and you're done. This waterproof connector is ideal for outdoor lighting fixtures. Here is the wiring effect of high-bay LED lamp. The power can be turned on smoothly, which means that the connection is successful. This quick connector is providing safety and longevity, no matter the weather. Choose the waterproof quick connector for your electrical projects. Safe, secure, and waterproof.